everyone, Madam Blue here. Welcome back to my channel. It's been forever. I've just been busy and I haven't been recording because I just be like, let me get my clients in. And I've been thinking about vlogging, but I'm like, I don't be doing nothing. I just do here and I go home. But today I'm making what I believe to be a much needed video. Now underneath this, I got some braids that's been in about 2 weeks, which is a lot longer than I leave my braids in. I be being lazy. But I'm about to take them out because I need to wash my hair so bad. Disclaimer, I'm looking rough. Also, so my scalp be being nasty, which is why I gotta wash my hair like every 5 days. So it's been 2 weeks. So you're gonna see some stuff. Don't judge me, okay? I'm usually not this trifling, and then I started getting flaking at like day 4. So I'm gonna shampoo my hair. Also, that's gonna be a separate video. But in this video, I'm gonna show you how to properly detangle hair. And I think it's necessary because 1, if you detangle your hair properly, then you can reduce breakage. And 2, I'm not gonna say that. I'm not trying to be shady anymore. But yeah, so I'm gonna detangle my hair. I'm also going to shampoo my hair and then detangle it again wet. I might blow dry it or I might twist it. I'm not sure about that yet. So we'll see what all we're doing in this video. So yeah, I'm gonna take this wig off. Again, don't judge me. And also, if you see different, I guess, quality of video, I'm gonna have to use 2 different devices because this one has like 3 minutes and 39 seconds of free space available. So yeah, how I keep running out of 128 gigabytes, I don't know. Okay, so hopefully by having this on, I don't play myself too much. I feel like my phone isn't right anymore. And this is not a headband wig. This is a flip over method wig I made during quarantine. Oh my God. Let me tell y'all something. And this has been 2 weeks. Look. Okay. So, y'all look at this gray hair. Ma'am. Okay, so I'm just gonna take these out and I'll be back. Okay. Okay. This is not right. Okay, so this side is detangled. This side I literally just undid the braids. Now I comb my hair out with the wide tooth comb and I comb it until there's little or no hair in the comb. Now like I said, this has been in 2 weeks. I got this done on the 1st. Today's the 15th. This is how much hair I lost from this side. And I literally comb until there's little to no hair in the comb. First of all, I got my hair cut while it was blow dry. I hate doing that because I feel like more hair is cut. And now I feel bald head. Maybe I'll get my hair. I usually get my hair cut and straightened in July, but just didn't feel like getting my hair straightened. Okay. So because my hair has only been braided for 2 weeks, and because it's not the thickest, it doesn't take much to detangle it. So depending on how long my hair's been in, I just go right into it. It's no problem. See, but in real life, depending on how much hair you got, you might need to take sections. Sorry, it's so bad, y'all. You might need to take sections, and you want to start from the bottom. So I'm going to pretend like I got a lot of hair. I'm going to start from the bottom. And you want to comb it until you can easily comb through it. And then you move up. And you do that until you get to the top and it's easy for you to comb through. And again, I comb until the comb is clean. I'm gonna have to back up, y'all. Clip this out the way. Okay. With this back section, I'm gonna put it in my hand, and I'm gonna start at the bottom. I like to comb in multiple different ways, like from the top, from the bottom. Well, I mean like underneath, on top. And then you move up as your comb is easy to go through the hair. This feels so good. And then you just comb it. Like, I don't really have that much hair. You might see dandruff. Sorry, y'all. It's a lot. It'd be bad. I have to wash my hair with medicated shampoo, and I did not do that last time because I went to go get my hair washed so I can get it cut, and I didn't bring it, so it hasn't been shampooed with the medicated shampoo in like 3 weeks. And again, it needs to be completely combed out. So y'all saw how my hair was before, how you could still see the crinkles from the braids? That means your hair is not combed out. Like literally, I have a requirement that your hair is detangled. This is detangled hair. This means when I go to shampoo, whew, if y'all could see this cape, y'all would think I was trifling, but it's not me. My scalp just want to be, I'm embarrassed. Your hair should be ready to go to the shampoo. Ooh, don't forget that kitchen. Like, this was pretty easy to detangle. My hair usually is. Even if I do like a hairstyle like crochets, I'll have braids in for 3 weeks. I never get them wet. Now, if I was to wash my hair in between like I do with my crochet sometimes, then it probably would be a little rougher because it wouldn't be as smooth. Just this little bit. Easy. Like, you see I can run my fingers through my hair, no problem. This is detangled hair, not that stuff y'all be claiming y'all doing. Now, I said I wasn't gonna be shady. Now, you know how sometimes you have braids in forever and you get that little nasty stuff at the beginning? All you want to do is like pull it apart like this, as gentle as possible. And really, I'm good to go with my shampoo. Y'all, when I tell y'all, scalp be itching. Y'all see stuff just falling out. Ugh. Still got just a little bit. So even when I detangle someone's hair, like they say they detangle it and they really didn't, I comb through it until there's no hair in the comb. Even if they come in with straight hair, because they might come in with a press that's old, I'll still comb through it because sometimes people don't comb their hair every day, so their hair, oh God. So the hair that sheds could still be in the hair. So I'll comb it out, make sure it's nice and combed through. So if I keep this as one video, then this was a short video and that's it. If I do the other parts that I'm doing today in this video, then I'll be back. This at this point just feels good, like, and I mean, strands are in the comb, so I can just go ahead and get ready to shampoo. So that's it, guys. Thank you so much for watching. This is how you properly detangle hair. It may take you longer. I mean, that took me, I think, 6 minutes. It may take you longer if you have more hair, if your braids or twists or whatever was in longer. Sorry, at this point I'm just messing with my dandruff. So that's it, guys. Thank you for watching, and TTYL. Oh, make sure to like, subscribe, share. I'm a little rusty. Make sure to like, subscribe, share, and that's it. TTYL.